Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I am super excited because there is a new Be Happy box. I am pumped about this one, you guys. Look at the box. It says follow the stars. If you are a longtime Happy Planner kind of lover, then you probably know what might be in this box, or at least what the theme is. And I cannot wait to open it up and check it out with you. So at the time I'm opening this, I actually don't know any of the release date information or anything like that. So if you're seeing this video, that means that the release is coming up. And so I want you to check the description box below. And also you can find me on Instagram and I will have all of the information there so you can know when this box is releasing, because I have a feeling that this one might just sell out because I'm super excited. So let's jump in. All right, so as we open the box, you can see on the inside it says the stars hold the magic in this beautiful foil. It's just a really pretty box. I love that they take detail time with the box. Okay, you have the sticker right here. The tissue paper is black, but it has this like celestial theme, which is super pretty, and ta-da! All right, so in the front you have a card. It says to the stars, keep looking to the stars. And then on the back of the card, it shows you or tells you everything that is in your Be Happy box. It says this Stargazer Be Happy box holds everything you need to make your mark among the stars. So if you guessed already, it is a Stargazer themed Be Happy box. I know Stargazer is a really, really popular kind of theme with the Happy Planner, and so I'm super excited to check out what's inside this box. All right, let's keep going. All right, the first thing I'm coming across are these cards. Let's open them up and see what is inside. I believe that these are what are called affirmation cards. So let's check those out. It says, I have the power to create change. Oh, so pretty. I'm doing my best, and that is always enough. Mistakes and setbacks are stepping stones to my success because I learn from them. Oh my gosh, these are so good. I believe in the person I am becoming. I approve of myself and love myself deeply and completely. You guys, these are so good. I am in charge of how I feel and today, and I am choosing happiness. I have the power to change my thoughts. I live in the present. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to read all of these, but you guys, these are some gorgeous cards. These are so beautiful to like sit out on your desk, maybe put on your vanity as you're getting ready in the morning, maybe slip them into your planner. So pretty. And look at the backs, also so gorgeous. So that those are the affirmation cards. You get this beautiful vinyl sticker that says look to the stars with shimmering eyes. Look how pretty with the hollow. I am all about it. It is super cute. Love, love, love that. That is super pretty. Okay, so let's keep going. There's a lot in this box. It's a good amount. I know. I just caught a sneak of what's coming up, and we're just gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to be patient. Okay, let's check out these discs. These are plastic discs. They are purple. Yes, thank you. And they are glitter, and they have a moon cut out of them. So adorable. Love, 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 love. Love that. Then we get a half sheet. So this is a skinny classic notepad. So it is a notepad. It's not sticky in the back, but it is pre-punched so that you can slip this into your planner, to-do list, taking notes, maybe over a phone call, something like that. So that is really, really nice to include. We have a brand new dashboard. So a dashboard can be decorative in your planner. It also can be used to mark where you are, like what week you're on. And these are the phases of the moon that are discussed, and it talks about when you're in certain phases, like for instance, new moon. This is the perfect time to confirm what your goals or intentions will be and begin to plant those seeds. So that is gorgeous. That's really, really pretty. I love, love, love that. Wouldn't it be pretty to have this and then on the back, like tape on different affirmations for a particular week? I think that would be super cool. So that is your dashboard. Let's save this. I'm going to save it We're going to save it. We're going to see what this is first. Okay. This is a notebook. Let's open it up. And see, I love how they are packaging these because it keeps them safe. Okay. These, you guys, these are purple metal discs, like mini metal purple discs. They are a deep, dark purple. They are gorgeous. Look at the front. It says, look at all the magic around you. There's hollow all over the front. You have these gorgeous purple crystals. That is just, I know, I'm sorry about the glare from my lights, but the hollow is so pretty. On the back, you have more stars. You have the moon on the back and the happy planner symbol. This appears, I think, to be a notebook. Look at the inside too, you guys. The inside covers are just gorgeous. This is a really, really, really pretty box. Okay, let me just open this so we can check it out. Okay, this is a happy notes. So dotted lined layout. Be the energy you want to attract. Super pretty. And here, oh look, I love it when they do the back of the dividers. I think that's so nice. All right, so the pages have black right here with the star pattern that kind of splatters out over onto the edge. You have dotted lined paper on the back, still dotted line with that edge in the middle. So pretty. Yes, yes, yes. She walked in moon dust and stars were sprinkled in her hair. And then you have the phases of the moon right there. And again, the pretty celestial look in the background. The third divider says, live by the sun and love by the moon. And you have the sun rays over here and then the stars on this side. That's beautiful. Oh, I love, love, love that. Okay. And then, okay, so 3 dividers in this one plus the dotted lined paper. This is so pretty. If you love Stargazer, like I can't imagine not wanting this notebook. In the purple mini metal discs, I am all about those. They do have the heart, just to double check. They don't have the moon. They do have the heart in those, but oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And then you probably spied this. Oh, one more thing. So this is a rose quartz heartstone. Just super pretty. Let me pull it out. So it says, carry this rose quartz heartstone with you on your journey. It is believed by some to emit a strong vibration of love and joy. So you can carry the stone. I think of it as like a worry stone. So my daughter, one of her teachers had them make worry stones before tests. And it was almost like, you know, like a fidget. They would just rub it and it was so sweet. And she really, really liked it and actually carried it with her to the next grade. It really had a lot to do with the amazing teacher too. But I think this is a great thing to just hold on to. And it's just pretty. It's just a pretty stone, maybe something to gift someone. I love that. So that's rose quartz. And then, ta-da! It is a Stargazer sticker book in the big size. So let me clear out the box so we can do a proper flip through of this book. Okay, so this is in the large size that Mambi has kind of switched to. And you guys, it's hollow. There are holographic stickers and they are gorgeous. Feed your soul. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like the Disney villains stickers. Be a seeker of everyday magic. Look how pretty. You are magic. Keep looking to the stars. Trust your heart. So pretty. All the moons and the crystals and the suns. So much hollow in smaller versions of those. Some great phrases. Acknowledge your importance. Forever a free spirit. Make a little magic today. Show kindness to yourself. So pretty. Feed your soul. Love those. So many hollows. And then we go into, these are on clear sticker paper. You have the phases of the moon. That's a big sticker right there. Follow the stars. Don't ever be afraid to dream. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. The phases of the moon right here. Power to change my thoughts. I have the power to change my thoughts. I trust myself and know my inner wisdom is my best guide. Dreamer. This all has silver foil. These are also on clear, but without the foil. So these are like the affirmations that are on the cards, I think. These are all in silver foil. I believe in the person I'm becoming. With every breath out, I release stress from my body. Oh, these are beautiful. I love it. And the same affirmations, but this time without the foil. Woo, it's a pink foil. Some mantras, reflect, feelings, and bullets. And then kind of the same, but with the purple foil. All about that. Love it. No foil at all with the blue. And then we go into these black stickers. Dreamer, be kind, you are magic, you're doing great. Love these, all kinds of affirmations. Let's keep going here. And then setting your intentions for the week, weekly intentions. And that is it. So pretty. You guys, this sticker book, this, I love it. I think it is so, so pretty. So in the Stargazer Be Happy box, you get the large sticker book. You get the beautiful, beautiful notebook, the new dashboard. You get the rose quartz stone. You get the notepad in the skinny classic size. Let me put that right here. And then you get all of the affirmation cards, which are super, super pretty. These are like displayable. Pretty. That's awesome. Then you get the shimmering eyes. This is the vinyl sticker. More affirmation cards, and then of course the brand new discs in the purple glitter plastic with the moon cut out, and of course, as always, the card that explains it all. All right, I am anxious to hear what you think of this Be Happy box. I am super excited about it. I love the purple. I love all the holographic details. I super love the sticker book, and I really, really like actually the affirmation cards, which I think are just gorgeous to include in your planner. So I'm excited about those. Let me know what you're excited about. Remember, check the description box below for the details on the release. I will also have an affiliate link in that description box if you enjoyed the unboxing and you are planning on purchasing one of these gorgeous Stargazer Be Happy boxes. I would really appreciate it if you were able to purchase through my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it does go a long way to help supporting this channel and allowing me to keep creating videos. Thank you so much to the Happy Planner for sending this to me as part of being on the Happy Planner squad. I really appreciate it. I'm just so grateful for sure. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Other than that, I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.